So Derek got us a bungalow. We're pretty much staying right next to the river, which is really, really cool.
Oh, okay.
It's raining really hard. Oh my god, this is, wow. It's definitely like Rio Dulce. There's a bed with a mosquito net. Our bathroom. Well, our bathrooms. Luggage. And man, this is nice resting spot. Oh my god. Bad idea. Bad idea. Oh.